Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how you guys can boost up your internet speed and have a fast internet speed. I'm talking about the mobile internet speed that comes from your SIM card. I'm not talking about Wi-Fi. So make sure you know that. And so guys, without wasting any time, let's roll the intro. And until then, you guys can just subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it with your friends. So alright guys, we are here on the home screen of the mobile phone. So the first step you guys need to take is uninstall the unused apps and remove any widgets that are present on the screen. And to know that, you can just go to the storage section. Maybe you can just open up the cleaner and then any random cleaner that you have, and you can just uninstall apps from there. If you don't have the like the default cleaner, you can also go and download this application, that is Google Files. I'll just show you. It will show you a lot of unused apps and things like that. You can click on this clean tab in the bottom left, and you can come up onto this page. Free up space, junk files, share it media, WhatsApp media, Snap2 media, all these files will be there. You can just delete them off, and then you'll have clear the unused apps that consume your internet. And I'm talking about widgets as well. So when you have these widgets, you can just check them out. If you have a weather widget or time that is based on internet, that is if you have a foreign time, then you'll it will also consume your internet continuously, so that will also affect your internet speed. And if you don't want them like that much, you can just remove them and have a faster internet speed. So guys, let's move on to the next step. So guys, the second step is use ad blockers. There are a lot of ad blockers on the Play Store. Make sure you download one with a lot of rating, like which has the most. You can just download that. Click on ad blocker. This is an ad. First one is an ad. You can see 4.5 star rating for free ad blocker browser. You can download that and you can browse the internet, and you will not have ads that affects the internet speed. So guys, moving on to the third one. So guys, the third one is turn off syncing. That this step is not recommended though. I'm not recommending you, but then if your internet speed is that low, you can just go ahead and use this. If you still don't know what is syncing, you can go to the settings section and check out for yourself. You will have the auto sync on, so make sure you turn that off, and then you will have to your data will not be backed up to your Google account, and you will not be able to restore the storage whatever you have if you upgrade your phone, or even if you lose and buy a new phone. So talking about the fourth one, guys, the fourth one here is the cache file. Clear the cache file of internet apps, that is the apps that use internet. You can just go ahead and clear the cache data of those apps. So for me, let's go on to the app section. Go to apps, then go to manage apps, and then for example apps that use internet is YouTube and stuff like that. YouTube, TikTok, all those stuff use internet. So make sure you clear the data of such applications, and you'll have a faster internet. So it's loading slowly, so let me just close this. So this is the way you do that. And talking about the fifth file, guys, use Lite apps. Like you can just see what apps I use. There is Facebook Lite and Messenger Lite. I use the lighter apps if available. So I also use TikTok. So TikTok also, I have the application I have is Lite version. So you can just use Lite apps to prevent excess usage of data, and you can save data as well as you can have a faster internet speed. For Geo users, guys, there is one exclusive trick. My SIM though is Airtel. You can just go to settings, and then go back to the SIM section, SIM cards and mobile networks, and then go to the access point name. So when you have to select the SIM card, and you will have this access point name. If you're using a Geo SIM card, this point is applicable, guys. And you can just exit the video. If you're using some other SIM cards, you can make sure you like the video and share it with your friends. So click on this access point name, and click on this plus add new APN, and then enter whatever I show you on the screen. That is the name is Geo 4G LTE network, and then in APN type GeoNet, and set the APN protocol to IPv4/IPv6 and APN roaming protocol to IPv4 and IPv6, and click on the three dots on the top right side and click on save. Then select the APN and preferably restart the device so that it is done. So this is the way you do that, guys. That's it in this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and in these times of lockdown you actually need faster internet, so just do that. And please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends. That's it. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.